Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is self-love. If you do not love and respect yourself, how can you expect anyone else to? You know the type of love and respect that you deserve, but if you don't show it to yourself, which you are the standard, you are the ruler, the measurement guide, how does the rest of the world know how to treat you? Treat yourself the way that you want to be treated. Look into the mirror and say, I love you. You're great. You're a genius. You're magnificent. You are strong. Therefore, that's going to show and glow on the outside, and the world is just going to mimic that. They're going to make sure they repeat that to you. People respect you and love you the way that you are, that you love yourself. So become your biggest cheerleader. I attend to the needs of my own needs by listening to my heart. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. I know I'm not missing out on anything. I'm in the right place at the right time. And I answer the requests of my mind, body, and soul. Thus, I learn to love myself. You outgrow people, places, and things. And it's okay. Nothing's wrong with that. Value yourself and value originality. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.